Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. I am going to teach you today class 3rd mathematics lesson number 1. The chapter name is numbers up to 9999. In your previous class you have learned how to write and how to read it of one digit number, two digit number as well as three digit number. Now today we are going to learn the four digit number, how to write and how to read. It is given the picture of abacus. Let us see. 1 place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place. Here how many ones are? Total 7 ones. So that is 7 into 1 is 7. Now let us see in the tens place how many tens are there? 2 tens. 2 into 10, that is 20. Now let us see in the 100 place how many hundreds are there? There are 600. So 6 into 100 is 600. Now let us see in the 1000 place how many thousands are there? There are 3. 3 into 1000 is 3000. How to read? Now let us see students. It will become 3 starting from the 1000 place. Bigger value we are going to read first. So that is 3627. Now let us see. So 3 is in the 1000 place plus 600 plus 2 tens plus 7 ones. Let us see how to write it. 3 multiply with the 1000, it will become 3000. So 6 with the 100, it will become 600. 2 into 10, it will become 20. 1 into 7, it will become 7. So we can write it as 3627. So how to write in a numbers name, or you can say spelling also. So now how to write it? Let us see this number. So 3000, 3 is in the 1000 place, 600, 6 in the 100 place, then 2 is in a tens place, so 20, then 7 is in ones place, 7. Let us, I will read once again. So 3627. Let's move to next one. Now see, now face value and place value, or let us see first place value. The place value of each digit in a number depends upon its place. I will repeat it. The place value of each digit in a numbers depend upon its place in the number. Let us see, 6 is in ones place. The place value of 6 is ones. Next, 2 place value is, the place value of 2 is 2 into tens, it will become 2 into 10 is equal to 20. The place value of 7 is 100 place, that is 7 into 100 is equal to 700. Now the place value of 4 is in 1000 place, so 4000 into 1000, 4 into 1000, it will become 4000. So we combine to read, it is 4726. What children? Let us move to next one is face value. The face value of a digit itself, it does not matter where the digit it is placed in a number. The number in shortly we said the number itself is a place value of that particular number. Let us see the face value of any 9. Here I have shown one example. The 9 face value is 9. The 9 face value is 9. For example, you take 8 face value, it will become 8 only. Now move to next one. Expanded form of and short form. So what is short form? Let us see a number which is written in a normal array. Here see 5437. It is a 4-digit number. It is written here 5437. How can we read? 5437. It is a short form written. Now let us, we are going to expand it. So 7 is in ones place, so that is 7 into 1 is 7. So next digit is 3 is in a tens place, so that is 3 into 10 is 30. Next one is 4, it is in a hundred place, so we can write it 4 into 100, that is equal to 400. Then 5 is in thousand place, so that we can write it 5 into 1000, it will become 5437 after combining. Now let us see the comparison of numbers. Before comparison of the numbers, I want to say you, so 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit greater number as well as the smallest number. So the smallest 1 digit number we can say, or it is 0. 0 is the smallest. Now greatest 1 digit number, children, 9. Now similarly greatest 2 digit number is 99. The greatest 3 digit number is 999. The greatest 4 digit number is 9999. The smallest 1 digit number we learned. Now the smallest 2 digit number is 10. The smallest 3 digit number is 100. The smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Now let us see here comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Before comparing any number, we have to see their digit, it is in 4 digit, 3 digit, or we can say in the places. So let us see here the place is, it is in 1000 place. Now this is in a 100. So these 4 digits are in a bigger one is a 4. It is in a 1000 place. Here it is a bigger number is 9. So 9 means it will become 900. So which is the greatest now? 4321 is greater than 956. Let us see another one example. Here I said you, let us look at the first, the number greatest number in which place, though both are in similar place. Here 7 is in 100 place and here 7 is also in 100 place. Let us move to next one, tens place. Here 2 is in a tens, 9 is in a tens. It means 2, it will become 20 and it will become 90. Which is the greatest now? So 796 is greatest number. So we can read it is 728 is less than 796, or 796 is greater than 728. Let us see the another example of 4-digit number. Already I said you children, while before comparing any number, first see the greatest number in their places. Now see here, 9 is in a thousand place. Here also 9 is in a thousand place. Let us move to the hundred place. 5 is in a hundred place. 3 is in a hundred place. Now which is the greatest number? So this one, the first one, 9531 is a greatest number. Then we say that the 9531 is greater than 9315. Next one, so 2750, then 2850. So which is the greatest number? How can we have to imagine? We have to check the number in the thousand place. Here is 2, here is also 2. Next one, here in 100 place 7 is there, and here 100 place 8 is there. Now which is the greatest? Now let us see, this is the greatest number, 2850. Now we can write in another way, 2750 is less than 2850. Similarly, another one example of, let us look at both the numbers, both the sides. So 3 is in a thousand place, this 3 is also in a thousand place. Let us move to next place, 100 place. 4 here is also 4, here is also 4. Let us move to tens place. Here is also 2, here is also 2. Next move to ones place. Here is also 7 given, here is also 7 given. Then we can say both are equal. When both are same, they are the same numbers. Then we can read it is 3427 is equal to 3427. Means both the numbers are same. At the time we call it is equal, or same numbers. Now let us move to ascending order and descending order. And lastly I said you have learned about up to 3-digit number. I am going to explain from starting onwards. So ascending order, a number which is going to start with the smaller to the bigger number. I will repeat it. Ascending order, the number which will come from smallest to bigger. Example, in assembly, the whose height is short, that boy or girl is going to stand in first position. Whose is taller than the first boy is going to stand in second position. So same process. So who is the last tallest boy? He is going to stand in the last position, or in a last end of the line. So we can say this order ascending order. Inverse of that one is descending order. So who is going to taller boy? That is going to be first, then little smaller, then smaller, then smaller. The last one is the short boy is going to stand in the last position. So we can say with the help of numbers, the one is the ascending order. Here we will see the first ascending order, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These number sequence we call it as in ascending order. Next move to descending order, inverse. So this 9 will come here first, 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So this order we call it as descending order. Now let us see the 2-digit number ascending order. So here it is given some questions, 18 35 5 21 13, 22, 40. Among these you have to write the ascending order. Which is the smallest one among this number? So we see, yes, here this 5 is the smallest one. We will write in the first. Then next 13. Then next, here look at here, 18, 21, 22, 35, 40. This order we call it as ascending order. Let us see the next one, 2-digit number, descending order. Here given the example 12, 37, 50, 31, 29, 8, 17. In this you can see the which is going to biggest number first among these numbers. So here see 50 is the first number, means big number, so we are writing the bigger number first. Then smaller than the 50 is 37, then smaller than the 37 is 31, the next one is 29, the next one is 17, 12, 8. This is called descending order. Now let us see another one here, some examples with 3, 5, 8, 9, 18 ascending order. Then inverse. So what is this inverse? 11 in descending order. 11 will come first, then 9 will come the next second one, 8 will come in the third place, then 5 in the fourth, then 3 will the last. So these numbers are written in ascending order. Again these numbers we can write in a descending order. Similarly here also 24, 58, 85, 99. So these numbers we will write in descending order: 99, 85, 58, 24. The next also same. So it is given in a minus, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 4, 7. So now first we will write the bigger number, that is 7, 4, 0, minus 1, minus 3. Similarly, let us see the 4-digit number. So it is 1001, 1011, 1101. The next one is 1110. So which is going to come now first descending order? This last number. So we will write here first in a descending order. It will become bigger number. So 1110 is a bigger number. The next one is 1101. Next one is 1011. Next one is 1001. See, let us see the next example. 9346. So say 9364, 9436, 9463, 9643. We will write this bigger number 9643 in the first. Next one is, let us check here, which is now 9463. First what I said, the bigger number is going to write first in a descending order. Next one, let us compare here, 9463, 9437. It will come in the third place. The next one in fourth place is 9364, then 9343. Let us move to next one. Successor and predecessor. What is meant by successor? Adding any one number or adding a one number or a next number of that particular number. It is called successor. Predecessor, so subtracting one or remove one from that given number or less one from the given number. Example, 189 predecessor less 1 or minus 1. It will become 189 minus 1, it will become 188. Next, 199 predecessor, so 198. 209 minus 1 is 208. So then 300 minus 1, it will become 299. Let us see same example for successor also. So 189 plus 1, it will become 190. 199 plus 1 is 200, so that is 209 plus 1, it will become 210. Then 300 plus 1, it will become 301. Now we will see the last one. This is new concept, Roman number for the Hindu Arabic number. Which are the Hindu Arabic numbers here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so on. Now Roman numbers. So here we are going to say in a Roman number some rules are there. Some rules you are going to follow it or remember it. So Roman numbers. So first, how to write a Roman number? First of all, say student, in the Roman number 1 is shown here. 1 is written in a symbolic form, that is I. Then 2 is written in a form of we can say 2I. So similarly 3 I, capital I type. It looks like a capital I. Now let us see. In ancient Indian mathematicians developed their natural system and introducing the rest of the world in it is called as the Hindu Arabic number. Example I given 0 1 2 3 4 5, so on. So the letters were putting together according to the given rules for the number. The Roman number system does not use 0. In a Roman number system, we are not using a 0. We will use in a symbolical form. We given it is as a symbol. What are the symbols given? Though I for 1. So 2 we can write in a 2 in a Roman number. 2 times I. Then I want to write it 3, means I will write I. Let us see here example. I want to write it 4. Student, how to write it 4? How to write it 4? You have to remember one small chart, that is 1 5 10 50 the 100. So these symbols we can write it is 1 we can write in a I, then 5 we can write it V, then we can write 10 as a X, then after that 50 we can write in a L type. So for 100 we can write C. Let us see rule number 1. How to, there are some rules you have to follow it. I and X can be represented. I means 1, X means 10. So it is, we can replace 3 times. Any number we can replace only 3 times. It means, or add, we can add only 3 times. Example, I means 1. See this I symbol we can repeat only 3 times. Here is 1 time, 2 time I, 3 time I. So we can't repeat it as a 4 time I. There is no rules for this one. 5 can be replaced, or 5 it is written as V. Then second rules, what it says, I before V to the left of the 5 number. Let us see this V in a Roman number, 5 Hindu Arabic number we can write on a Roman number V. So 5 minus 1, rule number 2 rules, otherwise rules number 2, 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. See, when you write it back side of the number, so it will get minus. When you write it front side, So see, 5 front side it will become 1, you return I, it will become 6. When I write 2 times it will become 7. 5 V 3 times I, V 3 times I, it will become 8. What I said in rule number 1, a number whatever we are writing or we have taken, it will repeat only 3 times. 1I, 2I, 3I, enough. Then 5 minus 1, it will become 4. Got the children? Then rules number 3, I means 1 after to the right of the 5. Right of the 5, or you can say front of that one 5. So when you write 5 1, so it will become 6, isn't it? 5 plus 1, it will become 6. In symbolically I can say V plus I, means V is a 5, I is a 1. So 5 plus 1, it will become 6, that is Vi. Then V, that is 5, V means 5, then 2 times I means 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. Then here V means 5, 3 times I means 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. So understand, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now come to the next one, the 3 times rules it is completed. Now come to the how to write 10 or how to write 9. Let us see 10. First of all, firstly I said you, so one symbolic chart we have to remember, that is 1, 5 means V, 10 means X, 50 means L. Similarly here we have to make it when you are writing backside of the number or minus 1, that is X means 10, 10 minus 1, it will become 9. X backside 1 we have written, it will become 9. 10 minus 1 is 9, that is Ix. The 10 is X. I want to again repeating this number, I want to take this X 3 times. Xi is 11, X 2 times I is 12, X 3 times I is 13, X, how to write 14 now? X means 10, then 4, this 10, X means 10, 4 means IV, so XIV. So this is the XIV. I want to write 15, XV, 15. Now come to the similarly, I want to write 20. I said you any number when we take it, it will repeat in Roman number only 3 times, that is XX is 20, then XX we have taken 3 times, it will become 30. I want to write it 40. In the chart it is said that only 50 is there, then you make 50 minus 10, how we write 50 minus 10. So let us see 50 minus 10. Let us see what is the 50. 50 is a L minus what is the 10. 10 is X. L means 50, X means 10. What is that? 50 minus 10 is 40. 50 minus 10 is 40. So we can write L backside of is X. 50 minus backside 1 is, it will become XL. XL is 40. Understand, students? Now next one we'll go for next one, that is last one is 50. How to write 50? I said 50 we can write as a L. Understand number, students? Here the number, any number when you take, it will repeat only 3 times, and one number is used only 3 times. What are the students? Let us we see these numbers, how to write it. I have given one example here. Understand?